Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100. And guys, yesterday I posted the video of XRP Ripple, and you can see it came down to this level. As I mentioned in my previous videos, the price was at this level at the making of the video, and the price went down to this demand zone. You guys see that this is the power of demand and supply zone, okay? And still many people are commenting me in the comment section that they are asking that let me show you the respond here. Let me show you the respond. And many people, you know they are asking blah blah blah, and fake news. Guys, come on, man, grow up, man. Grow up. You need to grow up, man. What I do on the basis of demand and supply, this is the powerful tool to analyze, to predict any coin, okay? Any coin. So you see, I have already posted on my here on the community tab. You can go and check out here. The price is the demand zone as mentioned in my previous video. You can watch out. Okay, enough of this. Let's go and take a look at the Ethereum today. We are going to predict the Ethereum today. You see here, I have already drawn the levels here, and you see price came down at this area. Now what is the current scenario? We have to look for it. Let's take a look. This is on a 4-hour chart, guys. This is a 4-hour chart, and this is an area of support. You see here 2036. Okay, it's a perfect support. And on the upside we have this as the resistance area, you can see. But I'm gonna shift into 1-day chart. That would give us a more more of perfect entries. So you can call it, you can name it, whatever it is. So right now the price is testing this area. Let me show you. Let me zoom it a bit so you guys can take a look at the analysis here. So what is the scenario, guys? What is the current scenario? The scenario here is the price is, it has broken the region. It has broken the support of 2150 54 here. If we take a look at here, these are the zone levels. These are the zones. You can see here the price got rejected. Once it broke down, it tested, got rejected, and now also got rejected from the downside. So it is kind of a consolidated right now. It is, we might see some consolidation here in this area, because it has been rejected from the upside as well as from the downside. If we take a look at the volume here, the volume, yeah, the volume is not that much, but you can see this is the volume over the past few weeks. And right now if we take a look at here, what could be the next scenario? The things are looking that we have this as the bearish engulfing candle. Okay, so we have a lot of sellers right now at this area, and the BTC right now has dumped, and it is now in squeezing mode as well. So we have to look for the BTC as well. But for right now, what could be our next spot if this spot is broken? That is the next spot here. If we go back in the history, you can see here why. You can see this was a swing high area, swing low area, got another area, and another area here. So we got some rejections here, some rejections here. Okay, so what is the next scene? We would be testing this area anytime soon, maybe if the price fails to stay above. So this is my area of support. Next support 1938. Okay, and on the upside, if this candle stay above the area of 2036, then with a strong volume we can break this 2154 area. Okay, and I have been checking that there are many addresses getting registered on the Ethereum these days. So I think there's an accumulation going on. And if we take a look at here, guys, we have got one, two, we got double top here. So whenever there's a double top, I have already mentioned in my previous videos that whenever a price gets rejected 2 times on the upside, as you can see here, then we see a strong move on the downside. This is natural. This is usually happens on the you can see on the trading. Here you can see we got double bottom here, and then you see price went up sharp. You see double top, the price came down sharp. So this is simple trading skills, okay? This is simple trading, not so complex, okay? Now if I move out these things for a bit, guys, just hold on. Okay, just hold on for a bit. Okay, so this is the area I'm talking about. Okay, 1950 area. Now what do you see here? The price is testing this area of support, but if it fails to stay above this area, then we would be testing the 1940, or might be, if we saw any crash, we can go down to 1600. But right now we are in the squeezing mode. Let me turn on the EMAs. You can see the EMAs are telling us you can see here the EMAs, these are squeezing right now, so they are going in the downward direction right now. So we might see a bump around 1942, around 1950, but we have to wait for the confirmation. Yet there is no confirmation right now, neither on the upside, neither on the downside. So we have to wait for anything. We have to wait because of the huge engulfing in candle on the downside. We might see another move on the downside, but wait, it can either go on the upside, it can either go on the downside. So we have to wait for it until and unless I would suggest you guys to stay away from the trading. Place your limit orders. Don't buy the market order right now, because it is risky, and we haven't seen any clear confirmation. And also there is a lot of FUD is being created by the China, as they say the stable currency is very volatile, and that is the stuff right now. Okay, you can also go to cryptopanic.com, and you can take a look at these headlines. These are the top news you can get from this website. Okay, so if you have any requests, please let me know in the comment section. This was the request from one of our many main subscriber. He's been with us since the beginning of this channel. So on due to him, I have made this video just for him, because I told him that the Ethereum right now is not in a good position, not in a buying zone, not in a selling zone. So it is making from the downside, buyers are trying, on the upside sellers are trying. So there's a race, or you can see there's a tug of war between the bears and bulls. So you have to wait for the confirmation. Until and unless we can't get a clear entry, clear confirmation, we can't say what is going to be happen in the future. But if we take a look on the downside, we can see here, we can say that price is testing this area, but this is not a valid trend line, because it is only one touch. We need at least 3 touches, and then we can confirm it is a valid trend line. But if we take a look from the upside, it is also not valid. And let me take a look from this area, now making not valid. So if we take a let me turn off the volume and EMAs, just to let me show you guys here. You can see here, still we are down the trend line here. So if you make this trend line as the valid trend line, 1 2 3 4 touches, then the price is going down. So we need to confirm the entries. And if we take a look at the RSI here, the RSI is not making anything else, not showing any divergence or anything like that. So no clear direction for the Ethereum. So that is it. That was the analysis of the Ethereum right now. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.